Hello and welcome back. So in the previous video we have created our enemy character. Now in this video we will create an enemy script, and in that script we will give this enemy character a three state. The first one will be the guarding, so when the enemy is far away from the player, then the enemy will simply guard between some specific points which we will assign to the enemy. And then the next state will be the pursue, or you can say chase. So when the player comes in the chase distance of the enemy will start pursuing or chasing the player. After that, the third and the last state will be the shooting. So when the player comes in the shooting range of the enemy, then the enemy will start shooting the player. So right here in the scripts folder, create a new C# script and let's name this as enemy, and open this script inside Visual Studio Code or any editor that you are using. And right here at the top we will say using Unity Engine.ai. Since we will be using the navmesh agent, so for that you need to add this at the top of the script. And let me tell you about the navmesh agent is that the navmesh agent is responsible for moving our character around a scene and finding path in the navmesh. In the previous videos you saw that we bake these areas for that purpose. Okay, we bake that areas where our player and enemy will walk. So the simplest explanation for the navmesh agent will be that navmesh is a designated mesh in our Unity scene which specify navigable areas in our environment, including areas where character can walk as well as obstacles. And basically this is useful for situation which incorporate pathfinding and AI controlled navigation. And our enemy will be a AI, or you can say that our enemy will be a NPC, which is stand for non-player character. So that's why we will build our enemy using the navmesh agent. So for that, first of all, right here add a navmesh agent to our enemy like this. And then if we go back to the script right here, we will simply remove all of that, and right here we will add a header, and let's name this header as enemy health and damage. Then the next header will be the enemy things, then the next one will be the enemy guarding variables. Then we will create a header for our sounds and UI, okay, for adding the sounds to our enemy character. And then the next header will be the enemy attacking variables, or you can change the attacking to shooting because our enemy will shoot, so that is more accurate for this. And then the next one will be the enemy animation and spark effect, or you can say the muzzle effect. And the last one will be the enemy mood or situation, if you say. In here we will create variables for different situations, for example for the guarding, for the shooting, or for the chasing. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will comment out these headers which will be not using in this video. So we will basically comment that out, and actually we can comment all of these out for now. Okay, so let's just end this video right here, and in the next video we will add a guarding system to our enemy, so he will guard between different points which will be assigned by us. Okay, we will assign some points to our enemy, and then within that points the enemy will guard. Okay, so catch you guys in the next video.